Hi, everybody. I'm going to show you how to use Google Scholar. So the first thing we need to do is to go to Google Scholar, type in Google Scholar, click on it, and as you can see, I'm in my personal account. I'm going to switch to my school account, and the first thing we need to do is set up the library link. Go to the settings of the school that you go to. My school is Howard Community College. Click library link. As you can just pretend I didn't have a Howard Community College. Search, and you want to do the food test and the ProQuest food test. Select both and save it. Now we're gonna search for journal article and related item. I'm gonna pick cloud computing, and if you want to say an article, you click on the star. And if you want to cite an article in APA format, click cite. Copy. Use article the size of article. View article the size of article. View article the size of article. Okay. Related article. Oh, view the article the size of article. I'm sorry, I'm so stupid. Was example. For some reason, I can't access my school account. So this is how you access the article. Breaking the cloud, Torah, cloud definition. It gives you the author, which is awesome. It gives you the extract, which is the introduction about the article and the reference it used. It's just amazing that you can have this tool available. So we're going to go back to the previous page, and I'm going to click related article, and get a whole bunch of related article. And if view related article, view related article. And also, you can view other version, and I'm going to click all three versions. So basically, there's three different articles. Just like breaking the cloud, through the cloud definition. This is version 1. Go back. Click. Let's see version 1 website. Version 2 is a PDF file from Wilder University School of War. Very in-depth, 7 pages. And this is version 3 from the same author, but cooler. Let's see what it looks like. It's also 7 pages. So 3 different formats. So that's how. Go back. Search article. Journal article of. Now, to access Oh, it has case law, which is really awesome. Click on my library, show all the article that's available at the Howard Community College Library. You click on the Asian website or find the food tech. You click on that. Unfortunately, I don't have access to it and due to tight deadline. To find out what's going on. But if you have access, you should be able to have access to the Howard Community College Library website, and in order to get access to the resource, because I don't have it, unfortunately. So that brings the conclusion of how to use college research on how to do college research on Google Scholar. I highly recommend it. I wish I had known about this website when I started my educational journey back in 2017, because it would have been a big help, especially with my English class and the paper that I worked on. It's just amazing tool and resource to have. You can do a whole bunch of different stuff with it. I'm trying to find if there's another way. Oh, mess up. My profile. Click this. Didn't know there was that there. Article there, but it doesn't seem to be me. I wish I wrote this article, but no, apparently school that she found article that you have written with only the name, but these not my article, that's for sure. So I'm trying to get to the setting, but it's not working. No. Well, oh, here we go. This should set up the collection result page where results are in the below graphic manager, which is very good. And you can show them to import citation into data in the reference name, reference word, all required you to set up in order to use it successfully. School filter for your browser, PDF site, which is a really great tool to use. Unfortunately, I can't use my library subscription because for some reason I haven't used it before. But that's basically how you do it. So we review, show you how to use Google Scholar and how to set up the link for the library for the true HCC option. Select library name, type in name right here of the school, Howard Community College, and select food tech and ProQuest food tech option. Show you how to search Google Scholar for your journal article below gravity research journal article and books and how to say your article to your school or library by clicking the star, which is the cite the article in APA format. Select highlight cite. Highlight APA and you can use one of the four citation managers. And go back. Show you how to view article. View article, cite article. I'm not understanding. That means, for example, wow, okay. That's how you view an article, the cite article. I think, I don't think that's the correct thing. Like, for example, let's go back to the citation. That's how you should say. And view related article by pressing on listening and you can view other version. So thank you for your time and patience on how to use Google Scholar or use all of research powerful tool. Thank you. Have a good one.